Greetings, wonderful people. Welcome to another episode of The Explainer with me, Christabel Njeri, na hii ni PMTV Kenya. Here we unpack stories shaping the nation. And on today's episode, we unpack, or rather, we break down what it means by the privatization of the Kenya Pipeline Company, that is KPC, what it means, why it matters, and how you can actually buy into it. So KPC, that is the Kenya Pipeline Company, is a state-owned firm that transports refined petroleum products across the country. And what we mean by privatization is that the government is set to sell a stake of its ownership to the Kenyan public or even to private investors. And it is set to do so through an initial public offering that is also known as an IPO, where it was opened on January 19th, 2026, and is set to close on the 19th of February 2026. This will be the first electronic IPO in East Africa. Tukiangalia zenye zimekuwa zikifanyika kitambo, ya kwanza yenye ilifanyika kitambo ikiwa ya Safaricom na ya KenGen. The government is set to sell 65% of its stake at KPC.
And out of that 65%, as a percentage of it, the staff of the company will have 5% of the ownership offered to them. The oil marketing companies, 15%. The local retail investors, 20%. The local institutional investors, like pension funds and others, insurance companies, are offered 20%. The local retail investors is you and I, individual people. East African investors, because we are in a region, we must think and remember our neighbors, 20%. And finally, foreign investors will have 20%.
It is expected to raise around roughly 106 billion Kenya shillings that will be used to fund infrastructural developments in the country. So in the IPO, one share will be going for 9 Kenya shillings, where one can only purchase a minimum of 100 shares, which means ukiwa na so zako 9, you're able to be a shareholder in the Kenya Pipeline Company.
We all agreed that divesting, privatization, is a prudent way of raising resources. When we went to the market, today we are in the market on the Kenya Pipeline IPO. Is going to democratize the ownership of a public asset like Kenya Pipeline. Today, you as an intern, you can buy shares in Kenya Pipeline. And I want to ask every Kenyan, with only 900 shillings, you can buy 100 shares of Kenya Pipeline.
So this being an electronic IPO, hiyo ni kumaanisha hauhavu kwenda kupanga line kwa ofisi za KPC, au unataka kununua shares, unaenda kujaza document. For you to be a shareholder, or rather to participate in the IPO, you need to have a national ID or a passport, a KRA PIN or an equivalent in your country, and you also need to have a central depository system account, that is a CDS account, from a registered and licensed stockbroker.
Fortunately, the process of opening CDS accounts is now fairly easy. Brokers now have online platforms where you can go and put in your KYC and open your account within, really within a day, and you can begin to trade.
So this being an e-IPO, you are able to do that from your phone by dialing an USSD code, that is *483 *816#, or where you will follow the prompts to make sure you complete the payment, or rather you can use their website where you will visit the link kpcipo.e-offer.app. The link will be attached on our description. So as the debate around KPC continues to heat up, one thing is for sure, this is a risk that the Kenya government is taking. Now, ni kweli, Kenyans will be on the watch, or rather on the lookout, to see how this goes. Christabel Njeri, and this is PMTV.